I think this is a really important space to work in because it's making immunotherapy accessible to patients who have previously been really, really underserved.
It is important because there isn't an approved NK cell product yet. We need an approved NK cell product.
My favorite one was the clinical translation, which is actually more implication towards developing a product and entering into the clinic and learning more about the clinical trial that is ongoing and the results, some of the results from the clinical trials.
Oh, it's been amazing. I think it's really fun looking around here and seeing like authors of papers that I really respect and things like that. And of course, it's like those side conversations where you actually learn the most and you get the most honest answers about, what they think might work, what they think won't work.
It's been fascinating to work in this field for a long time, and I'm actually seeing it coming into the clinic and becoming important. I think that's, as a scientist, is fantastic to see that development.
I really think a big theme of this conference has been making these therapies accessible in diverse clinical settings and to diverse patient populations. And that to me is the most important thing, actually.